Hello viewers, welcome back and good morning. Today in this video we are going to solve this question. Solve under root of x upon 1 minus x plus under root of 1 minus x upon x is equal to 2, 1 upon 6. Here by solving this given equation we have to find the values of x, and we must remember that x must not be equal to 0 and 1. Now let us begin the solution. Here this is the given expression under root x upon 1 minus x plus under root 1 minus x upon x is equal to 2, 1 upon 6. And the right hand side is a mixed fraction. And the value of x must not be equal to 0 and 1. So the values of x must be other than 0 and 1. Here we can see that in the left hand side, this expression and this expression are reciprocal of each other. That means if you multiply them, their product will be 1. And in the right hand side, we can convert this mixed fraction into vulgar fraction that it becomes 13 upon 6. Now we can raise both sides to the power 2. Now let us raise both sides to power 2. So in the next line it becomes under root of x upon 1 minus x plus under root of 1 minus x upon x whole raised to the power 2, and the right hand side also 13 upon 6 whole raised to the power q. Now we can expand left hand side by using this formula, that is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here the left hand side is in the form of a plus b whole square. Now we can open it and this becomes the square of the first term, that is under root x upon 1 minus x square, plus the square of the second term under root 1 minus x upon x square, plus 2 into the product of these two terms under root 2 into under root x upon 1 minus x into under root 1 minus x upon x, and the right hand side is equal to 13 square is 169 upon 6 square is 36. Now to get the product of these two, we know under root of a into under root of b is equal to under root of a into b. So the product of these two is equal to under root of x upon 1 minus x into 1 minus x upon x. We can cancel x with x, 1 minus x with 1 minus x, and this is equal to under root 1, which is equal to 1. So for this we can write 1. And we know under root of a square is equal to a. So under root of this square is equal to x upon 1 minus x, and for this also 1 minus x upon x. Now let us write these values here. So for the first term we can write x upon 1 minus x, plus for the second term we can write 1 minus x upon x, plus for the third term 2 into 1, which is equal to 2, and the right hand side 169 upon 36. Now in the next line we can take this plus 2 from the left hand side to the right hand side, and this plus 2 goes to the right hand side as minus 2, and the left hand side is x upon 1 minus x plus 1 minus x upon x is equal to 169 upon 36, 169 upon 36 minus 2, and 2 is equal to 2 upon 1. Now to calculate the difference in the right hand side, we have to find the LCM of their denominators, 36 and 1, and the LCM is obviously 36. Here the right hand side is 169 upon 36 minus 2 upon 1, and the LCM of 36 and 1 is 36. And when we divide this 36 with this 36, quotient will be 1, and 1 into 169 is 169, minus when we divide this 36 with 1, quotient is 36. 36 into 2 is 72. And the left hand side, the LCM of x and 1 minus x is x into 1 minus x. So when we divide this with 1 minus x, quotient is x into x is x square. And when we divide this with this x, the quotient is 1 minus x. 1 minus x into 1 minus x is 1 minus x square. And the next line we can open 1 minus x in the numerator, which is equal to 1 square plus x square minus 2 into 1 into x. And the denominator x1 is x minus x into x is x square. And the right hand side 169 minus 72 is 97 upon 36. 97 upon 36. And in the next line we can simplify the numerator. We can add this 2x square, and the sum is 2x square minus 2 into 1 into x is 2x plus 1 square is 1, and the denominator is x minus x square. And the right hand side is 97 upon 36. Now we can cross multiply 36 into this and this into this. So in the next line we get 36 into 2x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 97 into x minus x square. X minus x square. And in the next line we can continue 36 to the 72, x square is there, 36 to the 72 x plus 36 1 the 36, and in the right hand side 97 into x is 97x plus into minus minus 97 into x square is 97x square. Now in the next line we can bring both the terms from the right hand side to the left hand side, and in the next line it becomes 72x square. This comes to the left hand side as plus 97x square minus 72x is there, minus 72x. When we bring this to the left hand side it becomes minus 97x plus 36 is there. We have to write plus 36 also, and in the right hand side there is only 0. Now we have to add these two terms, 72x square and 97x square, and the sum is 169x square. And we have to add 72x and 97x because both of them are negative, and the sum is minus 169x plus 36 is there, and this is equal to 0. Now to get the value of x we have to solve this quadratic equation. To solve this we have to multiply this 169 and 36, and we have to calculate their product, and we can write 169 as 13 into 13 and 36 as 9 into 4, and the product of these four numbers is equal to 169 into 36, and we can change their order. That means we can calculate the product of these two. 13 into 9 is 117, 13 into 4 is 52, and when we multiply this is equal to 169 into 36, and the sum of these two numbers is 117 plus 52 is 169. So for 169 we can use 117 plus 52. Now let us substitute this 169 with 117 plus 52. So in the next line it becomes 169x square minus, for 169 we can write 117 plus 52 x plus 36, and in the next line we can insert x within the bracket. So in the next line it becomes 169 x square minus, here we don't have to open the bracket, we just have to put x within the bracket. So it becomes 117x plus 52x plus 36 is there, and this is equal to 0. And in the next line, we have to open the bracket with sign 169x square minus into plus minus 117x minus into plus minus 52x plus 36 is there, and this is equal to 0. Now from the first two terms we can take 13x as common. From the first two terms we can take 13x as common. So let us take 13x as common. So the first term becomes 13x minus second term is 9, and from the third and the fourth term we can take 4 as common. So this gives 13x minus 9 within bracket, and this is equal to 0. And we can see that 13x minus 9 is still common, so we can take this as common, 13x minus 9. So it remains only 13x, and there is minus 4. Now this is equal to 0. Now the given expression is factorized into two factors. So according to zero product rule, either of these two expressions is 0. Either 13x minus 9 is equal to 0, or the second expression 13x minus 4, 13x minus 4 is equal to 0. So when we solve the first equation, this gives 13x is equal to 9 and x is equal to 9 upon 13. X is equal to 9 upon 13. In the same way, when we solve the second equation, this gives x is equal to 4 upon 13. So these are the values of x according to the given condition, because the value of x must not be equal to 0 and 1. So these two values are not equal to 0 and 1. So this is the solution to this problem. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If you like my videos, don't forget to like, share, follow or subscribe, and also to drop your valuable comment in the comment section. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care.